7 a.m. Day 150. Good morning, it's day 150. Kind of confused because today is the 14th and we started on the 15th, but you know, some months end in 30 and some end in 31. So I don't know if we're gonna call this one our end of our 5th month or tomorrow. But anyway, so about 5 months in, have about 2 more weeks, maybe a day or two. We're gonna hit under 200 miles today, which is really exciting. And we might even hit 2,000 miles, actually. So we'll just see how far we get. It did rain a little bit this morning, so we have a bit of a decline, and that makes it a little bit more challenging just because the rocks are very slick. So we're just taking our time, left around like 7. Probably going to do like 15 to 16 miles, nothing too crazy. The sun is out right now, which is wonderful. But I think later there's going to be some more rain and thunderstorms. So we'll just see. We're going up to 4,000 feet. I think there's like 3 4,000 footers today, but they're mostly off trail. So I don't think we're going to hit them. Maybe we'll hit one. And yeah, just getting it done. Always such a nice time seeing friends and family, and we have really been living it up the past couple weeks, and I can't believe that this whole process is coming to an end. I was thinking about yesterday and I was like, what the heck? I don't know, still processing, but let's get to some hiking. This is our first ford of the day. Not too bad. Did just rain a little bit this morning and yesterday, but should be able to take care of it pretty easily. Excellent. My turn. Up we go. What the heck? Someone put this crab here, this dead crab. Why? Just about 11 minutes to the top of Lone Mountain. So now we got 2.2 to the shelter. And we are gonna keep moving. I didn't tell you guys earlier, but when we were walking this morning, there was a bunch of bugs, and a bug went directly into my ear and into my ear canal. And so I was like, Snake Farm, we gotta stop. It's like, what's wrong? I was like, there's a bug in my ear. And I could like hear it buzzing, and I didn't want to push it in more, so I was just trying to shake it out like you do when you have water in your ear. And that wasn't super working, but Snake Farm came up with the idea of maybe using some water, trying to get it out that way. And so we did that, which is not the most comfortable, but I think we were able to get it out. I'm not hearing anything. My hearing isn't like muffled anymore, but it was bizarre. I've had like ears I've had flies dive bomb my ears, but they've never really gotten into the ear cavity. So crisis averted, but just, you know, one of those additional weird things that can sometimes happen on trail. "12:30, just took a little lunch in the shelter. Saw another southbounder, so that was fun. A little uneventful, made up here. This is actually 4,008 feet, but the sign is wrong that I saw. But I was hoping to get some video of these clouds rolling in. I love it as they come over the mountains, but not quite tall enough, can't really see too much. No, it is not 7 p.m. It is 1:40.
1:40, very dark.
The storm is rolling in, the clouds are rolling in, but woohoo! This means we officially only have 200 miles until Katahdin and the end of the trail.
Is it really?
Yes,
wow.
I think it's this time officially.
Excellent.
Got some thunderstorms and some rain, so enjoy the ambiance. Oh, all right, that's enough. Hey, we need it.
Oh, baby, back at it.
Here it comes.
No pain, no rain, no Maine.
Can't have Maine without some rain. Woo, here we go. A little less rainy, but very misty. Wahoo! It seems to have stopped raining. 4:30. Gonna get some water, and I think just set up for the night. Tough last 2 miles. Took a very long time.